Maryland Spotlight. It's all about Maryland living.
Hi, and welcome to Maryland Spotlight. I'm Carolyn Black-Sotier. Nursing. It is one of healthcare's most evolving professions. And here to talk about the diverse and exciting aspects of a career in nursing is Dr. Joann Ioannou. She is the Senior Vice President of Patient Care Services and also Chief Nursing Officer at GBMC.
Thank you for having me.
Great to have you. So now when I think of nursing, I think, of course, of Florence Nightingale, but that's not typical of today's nurse, is it?
No, nursing has evolved to be the art of science, knowledge, and caring, and there's evidence-based research that guides our practice. So it's become very diverse, and there's multiple avenues that a nurse can take in her
career. You are a great example of that, because you started out
as a nursing student.
As a nursing student. Now you're a top administrator.
Yes.
It's fantastic. All right, that's a good thing to think about. Let's talk a little bit about the different careers that are available right now for people who are considering a career in nursing.
So there are many opportunities, and nursing is in a unique predicament that they can take opportunities to be a specialist, a nurse educator, a nurse practitioner, nursing informatics, a nurse researcher with a PhD. So it's the scope of the bedside is much greater than it used to be.
Okay. I mean, I have a sister-in-law who is actually a nurse practitioner, right? And that's, you know, another avenue that we can talk about. Let's talk a little bit also about, since nursing has changed, what's been the role of technology and the internet on the nursing profession?
So the communication and technology has been wonderful with these new advances. Patients have the ability now with the electronic medical record to have direct communication with their providers. Providers also with the technology are able to communicate in real time. Social media has been wonderful because nurses can educate masses that have patient-driven topics that they to benefit on wellness and health. So the technology and social media has been a wonderful venue for how we can communicate and get education out to our patients.
So it sounds very exciting, but quickly, what are some of the challenges?
Well, some of the challenges that nursing is facing today is the aging population of both patients and the workforce. There's also 3 generations of nurses. There are the baby boomers, Gen Xers, and the millennials. Healthcare industry is rapidly changing every day. There's regulatory requirements, and nurses have to be well-versed and educated to adapt to these changes.
But the good news is there's a lot of job possibilities for people who are looking now to find a new career.
There's also, that is absolutely true.
Well, we encourage people to go to the website or call GBMC, the number, find out more about a career in nursing. And we want to thank you, Dr. Joann Ioannou, for being here as well.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure.
Thanks. And for Maryland Spotlight, I'm Carolyn Black-Sotier.